Hello, RecruiterDNA community. Super excited. I've made my first Chrome extension. Those are those little tools that live up here. And so I spent Friday night and some of Saturday morning doing this. Here's the use case. Let's say you're working on this role, and you know you're going to be working on this role. You're going to be, sourcing for it. So you copy it, go to the Chrome extension. You're going to paste, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create I'm going to call this PayPal principal Android. It turns the job description into its essence. It's the actual criteria, right? And then I'm going to save it. And so now here are my jobs. These could be all different jobs that you're working on, right? And so now if I'm cruising around on LinkedIn and I say, I wonder if Jerry is a good match, I go to the Chrome extension, pick the job that I want to match him with or her with, right? I'm gonna wait to this little thing here, and we're gonna go to candidate, and we're gonna go to grade candidate. Very quickly, it scraped all the information, analyzed it, matched it, kind of like compared. Hey, does this person line by line of your search criteria does it match? And it gives you an overall score, 40%. Right? 4 of the 10 criteria are met. If it has a little X, it did not meet it or couldn't find it on the profile. And then if it has a check mark, it has. Now, I'm going to try to make this look prettier. Um, but the cool thing is, let's say you want this person. You hit generate a brief, creates a little report. You copy that brief, and I'll paste it here for you. So it says, this is the strengths. Here's the potential concerns, right? Just a quick way to kind of source and see if they match. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to work on this. I want it to be a little bit more visual, right? But it's pretty cool. I'm excited, and so I'm taking the leap now of really getting confident in if you can give me a problem, or as I see problems for myself as a sourcer, I'm starting to create tools. So if you need something for yourself, or we need something, if we can solve a problem for your team, I want your help to not only, ask me and we can build something together, but also promote this kind of work because, what was it? Monday night, I created Promptware, which is kind of a place where anyone can come in and create their own custom GPTs, okay? And then they can kind of save them. And we can have like all the templates if you want to save something here. So just imagine all of us building custom GPTs, and if you want them, you can add them here, or you just keep them private. But I'm still working on some of this, but I'm getting better. And then obviously, my first one, of course, there we go. Knexy is awesome. It builds landing pages for recruiters and sourcers. Typically, if you're contracting, maybe you're an agency, whatever it is, if you need to control that lead and if it's important to you, not to just send them to the career site, which by the way has you know, probably a 95% failure rate as far as converting. Very few people convert. I've created these landing pages and it's real simple. You can add a video. It has a job. If you want to lock or unlock the comp, you can, right? And then this is my picture, just not loading. But they can let's connect, which will go to your Calendly, contact me in a month, and whatever they press, it captures their information. And so when we go to the dashboard, you can see all the jobs that I've created. I can look at stats, and I can see how many visits, right? And we can start, doing some advanced marketing on these positions. And then if you want a group of pages, doesn't have to be from the same company. You can create a board, right? So the Nexy boards are just a collection here. I can just click all the little Nexy pages that I want, all my job pages or Connexy pages that I want, and it creates a little job board. And you can capture that lead, right? We're working on a new page builder, which is an MPC builder. It's not 100% yet, but basically you share the candidate and it creates a page so you can MPC people. But the whole thing is these are pages that convert, and there's some multivariate and A/B testing going on in the background, and an AI brain that's constantly thinking, how can we convert this page better? So super excited. Want your input and want your help to grow. Thanks.